morning, all of you. My name is Stella. I am studying UKG. My school name is Gayatri Vidyamandi. My mother name is Santi. My father name is Sudhir. I am studying UKG. Today, states and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Naipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Kalyana, Chandigarh, Arunachal Pradesh, Chillam, Dhaka, Andahanchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Bombay, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Chillam, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Ahmedabad, West Bengal, Kolkata.
Who is our Prime Minister?
Narendra Modi.
Who is our President?
Draupadi Murmu.
Who is our Chief Minister?
Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy.
How many colors there is in national flag?
3 colors:
What?
orange, white, green.
Who wrote Janaganamana?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Who wrote Vande Mataram?
Bankim Chatra Chatterjee.
Who wrote Saratara Chatra?
Muhammad Iqbal.
Who wrote Martin Pen?
Sankaram Bali Sangrachari.
What is national symbol?
National flower lotus. National fruit mango. National animal tiger. National bird peacock. Nationality banyan tree.
How many continents?
7 continents
What are
are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
How many oceans?
5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean. గంగిగవు పాలు గడతడైనను జాడు కలవడైన నేని కరము పారు భక్తి కలుగు పూడు బత్తడైనను చాలు విశ్వదావిరామ వినురవేమ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.